Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with y'all a small Walmart grocery haul. At the end of this video, we're going to make some brownies that we bought. We bought the mix at Walmart. It's low carb. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show y'all how we made our brownie mix we bought, and we actually cooked it in the air fryer. So y'all come on and let's get started. Okay y'all, I'm going to share with y'all my Walmart haul today. This is what we got. We got some pimentos. We're going to be doing a recipe for chili, and my mother-in-law used to make her chili, hot dog chili, and she always put these in it. So that's what we're going to do. I did get a pack of this. We've got a recipe that we're going to do using that, and it called for the mild, so I wanted to make it easy and just go ahead and buy this. We got some organic Vidalia onions, a cauliflower, some broccoli, we got some green onions, and we went crazy getting the berries. We got blackberries, some blueberries, and raspberries. And then we had to get cat food, and I had to get some of the wood chips, the wood shavings for my baby chicks. And then we found these beans right here a couple weeks ago. And we're going to actually put some of these in cans. I'm going to can some of these, and I might even share a video with that on canning these dried large lima beans. And I wanted to show y'all this on the back is the reason we're trying to eat them. Because we're trying to watch our potassium, because potassium is has a lot of benefits that you need it. And it's hard to get potassium in a day. And look at this. 1/4 of a cup of these beans have 936 milligrams of potassium. So we're going to be canning those. Got some black beans. And then we're going to try these zero sugar cake mixes. My daughter-in-law came the other day on Father's Day, and she had made some sugar-free chocolate muffins. So, Devin, this is your fault. Travis made me get these because he wants to do them like you did. And we even got the box of brownie mix and 1 box of the cake mix. We got some of the vanilla sugar-free icing. And we got some of the chocolate. And then I just got some cleaner to clean the boat with. I need to make a homemade remedy of a boat cleaner. And then we did cheat, and we got a couple cans of cream of mushroom and cream of chicken. Some diced tomatoes with green chilies. And then Travis wanted to get these. They're like 1/4 pounders. So we're going to have those one night too. And then I got these wrappers for egg rolls, and we're going to be doing a recipe with those. And I got a box of eggs. And y'all, I guess everybody's noticed it. This used to be, a while back, a couple months ago, $27. And right now, it's down to $13. So that's a good deal. I'm glad the eggs are going down in price. Oh yeah, we got a watermelon. We're going to do a recipe with this. And we also found a new item at Walmart that we've never used. We found this guacamole salsa. It was only like $2.38 or something like that, but we've never tried it. So we're going to give that a try. You can get 2 tablespoons with 2 carbs. We got some organic bell peppers, a red and yellow one. Now this is our first time doing a little Walmart haul or grocery haul. Do y'all like these kind of videos? Comment down below and let us know. Okay, now that we finished our grocery haul, now let's cook our brownies. And I'm going to show you how they turn out by using my air fryer. And I don't have to heat up my kitchen. Let's get started. Random items that you can make in the air fryer. Have it on 350 I put it on 15 minutes. We're cooking brownies for 2 in the air fryer. Okay, y'all, if you've never made brownies in the air fryer, you need to give it a try. They turned out good. They were not dry. They came right out of my pan. I just sprayed it with some avocado oil. And we winded up with 4 of these little miniature brownies. And we would just cut them in half and share them. This brownie mix is not bad for a store-bought, low-carb brownie mix. So I think y'all could give them a try. If you are on low carb and you're looking for something sweet, these did turn out pretty good. So you can get these in the baking aisle at Walmart. That's where we found them. Okay, y'all, I hope you like this video, and if you like these grocery hauls, comment down below and let us know. I might start doing more of these. I'll include it with maybe another part of the video, so it's not just a plain grocery haul. I might cook something that we get from our grocery haul. And this gives you a chance to look for your ingredients that you need to do some of our recipes. So if you think this is a good idea, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.